Hello there, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we've got an unboxing today. This is a Warhammer 40,000 figure made by Todd MacFarlane, or MacFarlane Toys. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out once we open this bad boy up. Yes, I was right. It is MacFarlane Toys. There it is there. And I got this model with the figure with the sole purpose. We'll just start looking at the back here. Ooh, that's looking nice. Yes, that's some nice artwork there. Very, very nice picture. And yes, so as you can see here, it is a proper massive figurine. It's got the jetpack and all the other gubbins in there. Let's go give it a crack open. We'll just take a nice little dainty look at the box art, and there is some very nice. There's a nice Warhammer 40,000 logo. That's good. And just a lot of blurb at the bottom. World Eater's Khorne Berserker. Now, I believe this one's discontinued now. It's they've since made and done it all, so I managed to get this on eBay. Let's just crack this nut open. Ow! And have a proper look-see. There we go, we don't need that anymore. Yeah, of course, there's another one here. There we go. Should be able to open it up now. Okay, and we'll take off. So that's just a clear open box there. And I'll swish it around so you can see that nice artwork. There we go. And I'll take off this plastic bit. Boom! Now we can get a proper look at it. So, we've got this rather nice looking giant chain axe. So the idea is that these blades would spin around like a chainsaw. And yes, you've got your Khorne logo there, which is a symbol of the chaos god for blood or whatever. Death. I don't know, I'm not very familiar with the lore. Probably should be for this video, but I'm embarrassingly inept in that department. Yes, but it's a sort of kind of rubbery plastic. You can see it's got a bit of sway on it. But it's damn good and sturdy. Yeah, even though that comes to a nice point, it's this is really well made and done. So quite happy with that. Here's the backpack for the thing, which I imagine just slides on. Now, usually with a lot of these figures and things, tends to be like a painted plastic, but this is actually proper all red plastic there. There's no paint apps on here at all. And then this is black plastic, so I think, yeah, it must be assembled in some sort of way or manner. Looks damn good though, and you can definitely paint that up, potentially. Anyway. So, what else have we got in here? Let's have a look. We've got some alternate hands. Yeah, very nicely detailed. Nice studs on the fingers there. Knuckles. Very cool. We also have plasma pistol, which has a little bit of chain coming out. You can see there's a paint application here. Yep, that's definitely paint on there for this little plasma pistol, and that looks great. Probably take off the chain bit because it's, I mean it's perfectly workable. Looks fine. And this isn't so much a rubbery plastic. This one. This is more of a kind of hardish one. Yeah, it looks great. Now, we also have the figure here, which is fully articulated. We'll go into the articulation there in a bit. But first, we've got the stand here to help stand it up. And there's some sort of collector's card here, which Yeah, it's a bit dog-eared in one corner. Yeah, it's the same as the box art there, only it doesn't have all this blurb and stuff on it. Khorne Berserkers. They relish their role as the blood god's sacred destroyers. And their fanaticism is feared throughout the galaxy. None are safe from their unbound violence. Victims and ally will fall under the hacking blow of the revving chain weapons, no matter how many lives they claim for the Skull Throne. It will never be enough to quench their bloodthirst or hunger, to appease the bite of the butcher's nails. I have no idea what it's referencing there, but sounds pretty nasty. Yes. We like to hurt people. Woo! So, what's going on here? Let's see. Head articulation seems to be on a swivel there. Oh no, bit of a ball joint. Yeah, so you do get some up and down in there. That's pretty cool. Yes. That's very funky. Very well made. You can see that there. This bit's on some sort of a pivot, so it's a swivel and a pivot it's on. That's interesting. Never seen that before. Yes, these are sort of... I'm not sure what you would call that type of a joint, but yes, you do get some limited articulation. There is an elbow bend there. That's pretty cool. So you can definitely get over 90 degrees there. Let's see how far we can pull it out. Let's see. I think these shoulder pads might actually be able to come off. They do have a bolt-on joint on the shoulder pads themselves for articulation. That's pretty damn cool. And yes, there is paint applications on here. All the gold seems to be painted on. The green eyes. Yes, that's all painted on. You looking at me? Yes, this is that kind of softer kind of plastic there. Yes, it's a nice looking belt. That does actually look like fabric. It's very impressive. Yes, he's got a little grenade and a, what you would call that, pouch in the back. Let's see, for leg articulation. So he can't quite do the splits, but he does have knee articulation. That's over 90 degrees. That's pretty cool. And he does have a toe, and there is an ankle rocker in there. I don't know if that's an actual ball joint or not. It's hard to tell. But yes, this is very well done. Let's see what kind of a pose you can do. So you have them. Semi kind of walking forward to some extent, and then you would be able to see how well this fits it. That's a pretty good fit. Not going to accidentally get knocked off either. And yes, it does come out relatively nicely as well. So we've got his grabby hands in here, so he can hold his plasma pistol nicely enough. And these hands should come out easily enough as well. Yes, they're on pegs. So the peg has some limited articulation, and it means that you can swivel around the hands. So he's got a kind of a broken hand there. He's like, oh no! Take me to my fainting couch. I don't feel well. No throne, no skulls for the Skull Throne today. Oh! Sorry, I'll stop being a fanny. But yes, so this is a ravaging good model. You've got one single peg on here. You've got a single peg on both the feet, so you can just jam them on there. And let's see, can we get him in a kicking pose? It doesn't really take the weight, so you would have to have him relatively normally standing up to some extent. Let's see how he looks with the axe. Bring me my axe! I want an axe and a beer. Unfortunately, the model does not come with model beer bottles, much to the chagrin of many. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's see. Yes, I'm digging it. But yes, I would definitely recommend this. For like, what? Between 20 to 30 quid for one of these? Bloody good if you want to have an articulated kind of Warhammer 40,000 figure. I am a bit disappointed at the back of the box. I was expecting there to be, you know, a list of all the bits and accessories, but I don't mind that artwork because it is pretty freaking awesome. So I'd highly recommend this, and I'm going to be using this for future videos. So see you again soon. Bye for now.